In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page on Google Sites. Managing your content efficiently on Google Sites can make a huge difference in how you present information, making your site clean and easy to navigate. Let's dive right in and learn how you can effectively remove any unnecessary pages from your site. First things first, you'll need to open up Google Sites in your web browser. If you haven't already, head over to the Google Sites homepage. It's your base for creating and editing your website hosted on Google's platform. Once you're there, make sure you're logged in with the appropriate Google account that has the necessary permissions for editing the site. You wouldn't believe how easy it is to discover you've been trying to manage a site without the right access. Now let's navigate to a key component of your site structure, the Pages section. This is where all the magic happens. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a toolbar with several options. Click on Pages. This will display a list of all the pages you currently have on your site, neatly lined up for easy access and management. Take a moment to scan through the list and locate the specific page that you want to delete. Identifying the right page is essential, as deleting a page is a permanent action and cannot be undone. It's always a good idea to double-check you've selected the correct one to prevent any loss of important content. Once you've found the page you wish to delete, look for the 3 vertical dots next to its name. This symbol is commonly referred to as the More Options icon and is where you can find additional management functions for the page. Clicking on those dots will open a small drop-down menu, which includes several actions you can take. In this drop-down menu, select Delete. This will prompt a confirmation message, verifying if you're sure about deleting the page, a handy feature to prevent accidental deletions. Click Delete once more if you're confident in your decision. You've successfully deleted the page from your Google site. It's as straightforward as that. Keep in mind, managing the structure of your Google site through the Pages section is fundamental to maintaining an organized and user-friendly website. Remember, with every change you make, consider how it impacts the overall navigation and usability of your site. Clean, concise, and well-organized pages can greatly enhance user experience and site performance. And there you have it, a simple yet essential task in site management. Deleting pages you no longer need keeps your site lean and focused. Thank you for watching, and happy editing on Google Sites.